Hold on to it very tight, both hands. On the what's called the triangle is much bigger.
I know.
And I don't know.
They know those extra for them. Those are like $100.
I know.
That's an old Caribbean boat. I mean, carnival boat.
What?
Bahamas.
No. That's a newer boat.
Really?
Oh, getting closer. Okay, whatever it is, we need to stop.
Hey.
A bumping noise.
I can't understand that. It's always what we have my jitters. You have yours, I have mine.
Moving very slowly, but we're getting there.
Control on us?
Yeah.
That's all they have.
Yeah. Got bumping.
You get up, you gotta hit the bumper, boy.
I hear it, I can feel it.
I need to get up. Want to hear you? Okay.
Man, I'm tired from Simone.
I'm ready to be kicked. I'm tired.
That's on there.
Wow. Let out. Walk up there to hit me in the front of that boat.
You gonna drop the camera there, you holding like that.
Hold on tight, honey, please. Funny. You was like, what the hell is doing this?
I was like, who this?
Now I got a tight schedule. We gotta rush from here to back to Jacksonville now.
Instead of 20 kilometers, sorry, 29 knots. Right here is the making breeze.
Fastest go is 22.
And they make a joke.
It's like we want to cruise at 10 the whole time from half Moon Cay. Triumph. I wasn't up there.
Let them know that we're coming through.
That's why I didn't go up there.
You didn't wait. And also that means you ain't on the ship now. You left.
Well.
Yeah. You're gone.
You're in Bahamas.
Head waving out to see it.
That's something loud.
Dang.
All right, that's enough now. All right, one more.
One more in a row.
They love doing little horn battles. Man, that ship is huge.
Look at that jacuzzi.
That's one of the larger ones.
Look at the jacuzzi guy on the front. I like that one. Look at
This is the
big.
oldest.
Yeah, you about to knock your skin, ain't it?
Yeah. Excuse me, but I ate too much. They stopped laughing.
You got a big thing? Wow.
Shit.
Right here.
very cool.
We were really close to this thing right here. I mean,
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Did you get out all that right there?
Look there. Yeah.
oh, water shooting, come off. See the water? Fall off.
The boat leaking.
Dude,
Go in the
please
water.
hold on.
Look, I like this. I can smart put my arm right here, so those arm links. I'm not gonna get too close to it.
Because they could drop right there and start moving towards it.
Look,
Gonna happen.
I'm gonna leap, dive, and land that
I'll
boat.
take the rope and throw the rope out to you and grab it.
Gotta tie the rope first.
I know.
Wow, look at the other side of it. Man, look at the way the design. My sister go to my design, man.
Yeah.
My design for the ship. Oh, look at the bridge is nice. Look at that bridge.
Fascination. We on leaving. Freeport.
They're on this boat, man. They won't get off until we get home.
See everybody waving.
Adios!
Everybody ready to borrow.
Woo!
Bye.
Shit.
Yeah, we're going back there.
Not gonna make a turnaround now.
To go this. But it end up this way because half moon can. But the last storm. And this it goes in. So we decided to go.
That ship is huge, man.
How long does it do again?
Ooh, that's one of the bigger class right there. That's in the upper fleets right there.
About over 12 to 1 hour, but we'll be there on time.
The Carnival Triumph.
Everybody knows
We'll be on that sometime soon. Hope so.
Nah, we'll be in Valor next time.
No, I said sometime soon. I hope we can do that sometime soon. Oh, now making a turnaround now. Oh well, stop the video.
Later.